I know. I haven't seen it since I rode my dinosaur.
Hey, Reese, what's thinking?
I have a bad feeling about this.
Don't be like Charlie.
You shouldn't say that.
What's the dead guy gonna do? Charlie. Oh!
Are you okay?
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
What happened?
I broke my leg.
We have to go get a first aid kit.
Hurry!
Oh, yeah, over here.
Did you hear that? We have to go back. We
Hello?
have to get in there.
Maybe there's another way.
There is no other way. We have to get in there.
I'm sorry, but I have to do this. Hi. There we go.
Hey guys, we should go mess up the stage tonight. It'll be fun, trust me.
I don't think we should. I mean, it's midnight.
I think we should. Don't be such a scaredy cat.
I think it's a good idea. We should do it.
You can't more.
Where'd he go?
Where are they?
I found this. Found his phone. It looks broken.
What are we gonna do?
I don't know. I'll fix it.